Duk wannan duka bari. Hey, Pinky. Can't you breathe? Why you no wear clothes? See all your mates outside there, they are putting clothes and shoes and everything.
What I wear? Is it a box that I think that let me go and wear skate? Wait, don't touch me that man again.
Oh, no.